Dophigo Video Doorbell, the smartest doorbell, allows all the situations in front of your home being under your radar anytime and anywhere you are. It has never been so easy of knowing around your house. Dophigo Video Doorbell, equipped with 1.3 MP HD camera, has integrated with the most advanced state-of-the-art graphics correction and transmission technology to transform image much clearer and smoother. Water and dust-proof technology allows the Dophigo Doorbell last in any outdoor weather condition. Dophigo Video Doorbell won't miss any visitor or package comes to your door, even when there is missed doorbell call.
Please leave a message after a beep sound.
Special delivery, leaving your package at the door. Have a nice day.
Dophigo offers 3-month free cloud storage service, allowing you to check every visit at any time. Group chatting function connects all family members through text and voice chatting in the app. Dophigo Video Doorbell achieves to present best audio quality with two-way communication through our unique sound processing technology.
Baby, I'm here.
Some Dophigo smart doorbell models are even equipped with remote unlocking function, which has become the best partner with our smart lock. Dophigo Smart Doorbell plays the most important role in your home security system. Our most advanced algorithms technology minimize false alert to the lowest level.
Who's there?
Oh, I'm sorry, wrong address.
Dophigo equips military night vision camera, which allows you to see clearly even in the dark.
Alexa, show me the front door. Okay.
Dophigo offers open
Mom, it's
development
me.
platform, which allows possible connection with any other smart devices. Dophigo provides 24/7 home security protection. Dophigo, peace of your mind, anytime, anywhere.